show you how to go bird watching. All you have to do is find a bird and point at it.